Hello, students. Hoping that you all are in the best of your health. Today, we are going to discuss the poem The Noble Nature by Ben Jonson. Before we begin, let us know more about the poet. Born in 1952, Benjamin Jonson was an English playwright and poet who had a lasting impact upon English poetry and stage comedy. He popularized the comedy of humor. He is generally regarded as the second most important English dramatist after William Shakespeare. He is best known for his satirical plays like The Fox, Every Man in His Humour, etc. Summary of the poem. The poem emphasizes that quality of life is more important than quantity of life. It describes what qualities are needed to be known as noble. It is beautifully explained by the poet by comparing two different aspects present in nature. In this poem, life of a man is compared to long life of an oak tree as well as short-lived lily. In the first stanza, the poet has described an oak tree which is bulky and has a long lifespan, but at the end it becomes a lifeless and dry piece of log. In the same way, a man is of no value who has physical strength and has all the wealth, but does not contribute anything to the society. Though his life is long, still will be meaningless and empty. The poet continues to compare the man with a lily in the next stanza. He is likely to have a short lifespan. The lily plant has a short life. It blooms in May and is very beautiful. It lives only for a day and dies as the night falls. Yet, it is appreciated for its beauty and happiness that it spreads with its presence during that short period of time. Similarly, a man who helps others, contributes towards the society, will always be remembered because of his deeds, irrespective of his lifespan. These are some of the qualities which makes a man a noble man and a life worth living. Glossary words: doth, to do, bulk, size, quantity or weight, sere, dried, flower of light, flower that blooms during day. These are some of the questions for your practice. Happy learning. Thank you.